Chapter 21, Equations. We're going to begin by looking at forming equations. So you can pause the video and have a go at examples 1 to 4. Example 1. We'll have to write these sentences as an equation in terms of x. So an equation is going to be something that has an equal sign in it. And in terms of x means there's going to be x involved in the equation as well. Example 1. I think of a number. Well, that number they haven't told us, so we'll call that x. X represents the unknown number that you have thought of. So I think of a number, x, add 7. So add 7 or plus 7. And the result is equal to 13. Now, we're not trying to work out what the number is, what x is. We're just trying to write down the sentence in equation form. So that is your final answer. Don't try and rearrange it or be any more clever than that. We think of a number, we add 7, the result is 13. Number 2, I think of a number, I multiply it by 4. Now we could write down x multiplied by 4. But if you multiply x by 4, the shorter way to write that, we just write it over here. If we've got x and you multiply it by 4, that's the same as 4x. So I think of a number, x, I multiply it by 4, I've now got 4x, and then subtract 3, so minus 3. The result is, so equals, and then 17. Example 3. I think of a number, that will be our x, divide it by 6. So again, I could write down my x and then divide it by 6. But the shorter way to write that is x over 6 as a fraction. So we've got x divided by 6, or x over 6. So I think of a number, x divided by 6, to get. To get is the same as the result, or it will be equal to, or the same as. So equals, and we get, or it is equal to, or the result is 5. So if you think of a number and divide it by 6, you get 5. Example 4. Write the equation 8x minus 3 equals 29 as a sentence. So you'll notice the previous questions, we always start off with x. I think of a number, which is what we call x. So we'll start off in the same way and write down I think of a number to represent x. So I think of a number. And what do we do with the number? Well, it's 8x, so that x has been multiplied by 8. So I think of a number, multiply it by 8, and then what? Well, it's 8x, take away 3, or 8x minus 3, so 3 is being subtracted from the 8x. So I think of a number, multiply it by 8, and then subtract 3. And then the answer is 29. So I could say I get, or the result is, and then 29. So the result is 29. So just redo that again. I think of a number, that'll be our x. I multiply it by 8, that'll be 8x. And then subtract 3, that'll be 8x minus 3. The result is, that's equals, and then 29.